Hi, my name is Jeannie, and thanks for watching our YouTube trailer. I want to welcome you to the Trendy Tree YouTube channel. My daughter Carrie and son-in-law David own the Trendy Tree website, and now they also have a retail store located in Pontotoc, Mississippi. It just opened a few weeks ago. Trendy Tree's been in business since about 2007 and started out as a small family business out of a sunroom and has grown to a warehouse and industrial park, and now a brick and mortar in downtown Pontotoc. We sell all sorts of wreath making supplies, everything that you need to make a wreath, from silk flowers, Deco poly mesh, work forms, ribbons, signs, all kinds of seasonal decorations. All of the products that you see on our website and in the store have been handpicked for you, and orders are shipped directly from our warehouse in Pontotoc. We're not a drop shipper. You'll find detailed step-by-step wreath tutorials on our channel, along with inspirational decorating idea and beautiful products for all seasons and holidays. We also have tutorials on floral design using silk flowers, bushes, ribbons, and we have bow making and lots of other tutorials. We hope you'll visit our website and let us serve you for all your wreath making needs and seasonal decorations. If you're ever in our area, stop by and visit. We're located at 10 Marion Street, downtown Pontotoc, Mississippi. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the little bell so you'll receive a notification of our next video. Bye now.